Unboxing the ResKit A-10 Thunderbolt II landing gears set is always an exciting moment for any scale modeler. This 1/48 set is designed specifically for the GWH kit and offers both early and late versions of the landing gear. The metal parts add real strength to your build, supporting the model's weight, while the 3D printed elements showcase crisp surface textures and impressive precision. Whether you prefer to build the early or late version, you'll appreciate the straightforward fit with the GWH kit and the noticeable enhancement in realism. Right from the start, the package reveals precisely 3D printed components covering both early and late variants, with thoughtfully crafted wheels to capture in-flight realism. Whether you're aiming to model a classic early Thunderbolt or its later upgrade, ResKit offers everything needed for a professional result. In summary, ResKit delivers a next-level landing gears for the iconic A-10, making this unboxing a highlight for modelers who appreciate accuracy and buildability.